if you need quick and expensive gift, use your imagination. Pick out a container. This one has a liner in it, so I would actually put rock in the bottom so that the water would not sit there. Plants would sit in it. Put your soil in. I'm going to use a frosty fern, which does not like to sit in water. It's not like direct sunlight, so we'll put him in here and just see where he's going to fit. A cyclamen, it's the same conditions as the frosty fern, and we'll just play with it and see where we might want it. Kind of put him down there. Then some little columns of maybe here. And there's always our spider plant. It'll go anywhere. Pick out a plant. Pick out one that complements whatever you're planting it in. So don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. That's my way of thinking. Put your soil in. Kind of pack it down. Make sure everything is firm. And then it's always nice to stand back and see if you like how it looks. I always think if you put your plants in and look at it up close, it has a different look than it does when you walk away from it. So fill your pot with soil, pack it down. And since it's Christmas, you can always dress up your pots with, I like to use little sprigs of pine, put them in different spots, and maybe some height back here. And these guys, these are wonderful too, stuck in poinsettias or eggplant to fill around the edges. So just give it a festive look. Just keep filling it in. We can always use a pine cone. Well, look in your yard, stick it in, and how about some red twig dogwood? They are just cut little branches, just for adding a peak of color. Come down the edge. One in the center. Some more pine. Don't like that there. Don't be afraid to take it out. Try again. See how it's looking. Some red berries maybe, since it is Christmas. And a bow. And you have a planter, a nice hostess gift of something for yourself. These plants can all be taken out, transplanted, which would be great. It's inexpensive, it's pretty, and if you love it, your customer's gonna love it too. Another way to use your frosty fern is just, this one is just sitting in a pot so that when you water it, there's no danger of it sitting in water because you could drain it out. Use some more of your little branches. Branches are always a nice little added touch to upgrade whatever you're doing. Berries. And you have another inexpensive little gift. Use your imagination, have fun, and if you love it, somebody else is going to love it too. And don't be afraid to move things around. But look what a cute little guy. And you could put something here in the center. You could use a different pot, but it's a kind of grab and go thing when you want to take something for a hostess gift or a gift exchange. So there you go. And look at the cute little pot. come and see us.